The world is a rainbow of cultures, languages, and ethnic groups that enrich the past and present of our planet. The country of Peru is located in the continent of South America, to the east of the Pacific Ocean. This body of water, and especially the Peruvian or Humboldt Current, provide the basic food source of fish and aquatic animals for ancient Peruvians. We now find ourselves 42 kilometers north of Lima, in the district of Ancon. At this historical location, an immense ancient cemetery is located which served the first Peruvians for centuries. The first peoples to come to this region of Ancon were immigrants from the Andes mountain, who in the dry season came to the coast to hunt and gather vegetables. The first scientific excavations in the necropolis of Ancon took place in 1874 and 1875 under the direction of two German scientists, Reis and Stubel. They published the results of their excavation in the monumental work The Necropolis of Ancon in Peru. This important text presents detailed description and color illustration of the excavations. Other archaeologists to follow the work of Reis and Stubel included Max Uhle, Julio Cetello, Eduardo Lanning, Hermilio Rosas, Ramiro Matos, and Federico Kaufmann. Lithic period. The first sign of early cultural artifacts in the nearby areas of Ancon Bay correspond to the early hunters and gatherers in the region. These early people arrived with their Stone Age culture, which includes such items as double-edged arrow points, knives, punches, and grinders. Workshops for these tools were found in the hills called Piedras Gordas, Chivateros, Cucarachas, and others located in the region of Ancon and mouth of the Chillón River. Archaic period. With the passing of centuries, migrant groups settled in the region of Ancon near the sea. Here these people depend on the ocean for their principal source of sustenance. They also fish with hooks made from shells, grew squash, ají, and cotton. The settlers also made cotton textiles and fine stone arrowheads. The principal cultures during this period were Arenal, Azul, Canario, Corvina, and Encanto. Formative period. The epoch classified as formative is characterized by the spread of the Chavin culture. In Ancon, the Chavin culture has various manifestations, especially in the period ceramics, the most notable Chavin presence of the epoch. The Chavin culture developed in the Colinas region, where Julio Cetello excavated an entire cemetery from the Chavin period in Ancon, a unique case in the history of Peruvian archaeology. Regional development. During the period of the regional development, during the first centuries of the modern era, the Lima culture was present in the region of Ancon and built pyramids with the adobe construction known as librero, as in the Huaca San Marcos and the Huaca Puquiana in modern-day Miraflores. In Ancon, particularly in Miramar Necropolis, tombs from the Lima culture have been discovered. These tombs are rectangular shape in the body extended horizontally, stomach facing down. One of these tombs is notable for the presence of the 12 fine ceramics pieces, all in the Lima or Niveria style. Wari period. During the Wari period, the Ancon necropolis was a burial ground of Wari elite displaying funerals, masks, and elegant clothing and elaborate textiles. Regional estates, the Chancay culture in Ancon. In addition to the presence of cultures from other regions of Peru, such as the Chavin, Lima, and Wari, in Ancon flourished the culture from the Chancay Valley. This culture flourished both in the valley of Chancay and in Ancon with similar traits, especially in textiles. This complex cultural activity demonstrates the strong presence of the Chancay culture in Ancon. Also present in Ancon is the typical Chancay ceramic called Cuichimilco, which is a nude human figure with hands in the form of small wings. These figurines were utilized in magical and religious activities. Another typical Chancay ceramic are the chinas. The chinas are seated human figures carrying a vase, headdress, breastplate, necklace with painted faces. These figures are called chinas because the slanted lines in the faces, representing the eyes, give the figures a look of Asian ethnicity. The ceramics of the Chancay culture originate in an extensive cemeteries found in the area of Ancon and the Chancay Valley. The designs on the ceramic are painted in black or brown upon a cream-colored background. The most frequent forms of the Chancay culture ceramics are oblong, with a base, cylindrical forms, plates, trays, small houses, large jugs with anthropomorphic or geomorphic designs. The textile workers of Chancay exploit all the known techniques of their time. As evidence of this extensive skill, a large number of items from the period have been conserved, including pilares, mostrarios, costureros with cloth, with needles and bones as weaving tools. Among the most notable textiles remained from the Chancay culture today are the lace-like weavings, often called the gasas. Generally, these are of white cotton, square-shaped clothes, less than a square meter in size. They are so delicate that this textile could be compared to a spider web. Inca period. In Ancon, the presence of imperial Inca ceramics clearly signifies the stylistic connection with the period of the Incan presence in Pachacamac. The Inca ceramics in Ancon clearly provides that the region was incorporated in Tahuantinsuyo. On the beaches of Ancon, many famous people, including leading politicians, businessmen, and military officials, have spent their vacations. Such famous tourists include Ricardo Palma, Oscar R. Benavides, Andrés Avelino Cáceres, Mariano Ignacio Prado, and Auguste B. Leguía. Ancon became popular as a favorite place to spend the summer. Ancon continued to be a desired getaway spot until the 1970s, remaining a regional cultural center by hosting the Song Festival of the 1969 and 1970s. The museum was founded by Alejandro Miro Quesada Garland and Horacio Alberti Nicolini as a center for the collection, storage, and exhibition of artifacts from the numerous pre-Hispanic cultures of the area of Ancon. The permanent exhibition hall of the Museum of Ancon was inaugurated on February 13, 1993, due to the generous support of the Museum of Art of Lima. The Museum of Ancon is a non-profit institution dedicated to the education of the community and visitors of the region. You are cordially invited to view the Museum of Ancon and learn about the rich history of this significant coastal region.